Curd, often referred to as yogurt, is a dairy product produced by fermenting milk with lactic acid bacteria. This fermentation process thickens the milk and creates the characteristic tangy flavor of curd. It has been a staple in diets across various cultures for centuries due to its rich nutritional profile and potential health benefits. Nutritional values of curd. Curd is a nutrient-dense food, offering a wide array of vitamins, minerals, proteins, and beneficial probiotics. Here are the key nutritional components found in a typical serving: 100 grams of plain whole milk curd. Proteins. Curd is an excellent source of high-quality proteins, vital for muscle repair, growth, and overall bodily functions. Calcium. An essential mineral for bone health, curd is rich in calcium, aiding in maintaining strong bones and teeth. Vitamins. Curd contains various B vitamins, including B12, riboflavin, B2, and pantothenic acid, B5, important for energy metabolism and overall well-being. Phosphorus. Phosphorus, present in curd, contributes to bone health and supports kidney function. Probiotics. Live bacteria, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, are produced during the fermentation process, promoting a healthy gut microbiome and aiding digestion. Fats. Curd contains healthy fats, including unsaturated fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Carbohydrates. Curd is a source of carbohydrates, providing energy and supporting bodily functions. Optimal time to consume curd. The best time to consume curd largely depends on personal preferences and dietary habits. Here are some common times when people often incorporate curd into their diet. Breakfast. Including curd in breakfast can provide a nutritious start to the day, offering essential nutrients and aiding in digestion. Snacks. Curd-based snacks, like yogurt parfaits or smoothies, make for a healthy and satisfying snack option. After a workout. Consuming curd after a workout can replenish protein levels and aid in muscle recovery. Before bed. Some individuals prefer consuming curd before bedtime as it may aid in digestion and provide a sense of satiety. When to avoid curd. Lactose intolerance, difficulty digesting lactose. Milk allergy, allergic reactions to milk proteins. High cholesterol, limit full-fat curd. Acid reflux or GERD, may worsen symptoms. Weight management, consume in moderation. Certain medications, check for interactions. Curd allergy, rare allergic reactions. Like and sub. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button to show your appreciation. For more informative content on nutrition, health,